Today, we're diving into the latest movements in the stock market, focusing on the Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures that have inched higher after dovish comments from Federal Reserve officials. Plus, we'll cover key earnings reports from big names like Nvidia, Expedia, and e.l.f. Beauty. This Friday morning, futures tied to the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq edged up slightly, with the S&P 500 up by 0.1% and the Nasdaq by 0.2%. These gains followed dovish signals from Federal Reserve officials after a resilient labor market report on Thursday. Investors are highly sensitive to labor-related data, and recent jobless claims came in lower than expected, boosting confidence in the markets. Leading the charge among mega-cap tech stocks is Nvidia, which saw a 1.4% gain in pre-market trading. Nvidia continues to be a favorite in the tech sector, contributing to the overall positive sentiment in the market. Global markets have also stabilized after a volatile week, primarily triggered by a surprise rate hike from the Bank of Japan, which caused a surge in the yen. Despite this, the CBOE Volatility Index, also known as the fear gauge, has decreased to 23.62 points, indicating a reduction in market anxiety. Now let's dive into some key earnings reports. e.l.f. Beauty saw an 8.6% drop in its stock after forecasting annual sales and profits below expectations. The company hinted at potential price hikes if tariffs on imports from China are increased. On the flip side, Expedia's stock surged by 10.7% after the online travel agency beat second-quarter profit expectations, driven by robust international travel demand. Meanwhile, Take-Two Interactive climbed 6.2% as the company expects significant growth in net bookings in the coming years, with the much-anticipated Grand Theft Auto VI set to launch next year. Lastly, The Trade Desk also saw a 6.5% jump after forecasting strong third-quarter revenue, signaling continued demand for automated ad buying technologies, especially from connected TV companies. Looking ahead, investors will be keenly watching next week's consumer prices and retail sales data for July. These reports could offer fresh evidence on the chances of a soft landing for the American economy. Additionally, the market is closely monitoring the Fed's potential interest rate cuts, with expectations split between a 25 basis point or 50 basis point cut in September. That's it for today's market update. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily market insights.